back with the soda break. Since we are taking a break from soccer, now we're gonna have a soda break with a little twist. Keep that closed. They come out. Alright. So, what's gonna happen is we're gonna put this in, still in the package. What's supposed to happen, I've never tried this, but what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to eat away at the packaging, so it gives you time to run away. But we're gonna have it partially open, so like it spews out the sides. Alright. Let's try this.
By the way, this is Alex and Ryan from Mars Nation. Just gonna zoom in on that Sprite bottle. Come here, Ryan. Check this awesome footage.
I think this works.
I think
it will be amazing.
I'm just gonna focus the camera on here. I don't want to let it go. But we also have another Coke bottle right next to us because we're gonna see if this one failed. We tried just putting the mentos just straight in.
It would be funny if we just stuck the cap off. Is it working? And shoots right in your face.
Get a little bit closer.
Like you can see, I think it's like a little bit seeping in.
Is it? I think we should have opened this. I think we should have opened the package like just a little bit, so it should be eating away.
Cause like,
Better be eating away.
cause that's what it does with pennies. If you put it in there for like a day,
Yeah.
it's completely clean. It might just be from Coke though. Oh, wait, hold on. We'll try and like open it a little.
No, no, don't open it a little bit. Just shake it a little bit.
Shake it?
Shake it just a little bit.
Okay.
Don't open it up.
I know, I'm closing it.
Oh.
Hold on. I'm gonna open up.
No, you want to keep all the carbonation in there.
I know. Yeah, no, you can't open that. Probably gonna have to take it out.
Come here, come here, come here. Take the camera, focus it on. All right, ready?
Shoot.
I don't want to die. Coming up. I'm just gonna grab it. Oh, it's warm. Grab that Mentos. Oh, it has been eaten away. I'm just gonna rip the top off of it.
Close it as straight as you can. Go! Close it! It's not gonna explode or anything, but
Yeah, I know. I so hope it does. All right, let's get back. Sorry, get my hand on that.
okay. Ready?
Get a different angle on this.
It's not working.
Not working?
Yeah, no. Failure has come on us.
Hey, right, hold it. Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Yeah, no, that's not working.
Hold the camera. Focus it on.
Oh, God. Ooh, it's kind of working. Yeah, just take one of them out and pop it in there.
Nope, not one of them.
All of them? Alright. Yeah? Shh. Shh.
Good job. Rapid.
Shh. 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 bad.
Yeah, I know.
Is it gonna like shoot up in our faces? Like, I'm probably gonna piss myself. Not really, but that'd be funny. Like, one of us just pees herself.
Oh, what the heck?
You just see the wet spot on their pants. He was eating away at that.
It was.
Just not as much as Coke.
Yeah.
It's just Coke. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Keep up, come on, come on.
Going overboard.
Don't give up on us.
Okay. All right. Wait. Stand back. Stand
Sorry,
back.
I'm
Stand
gonna
back. I got this. I got this. No, I got this. In it goes.
I think we lost most of its momentum. Wait, let's see. Alright. Zoom it out a little bit. Just zoom the camera out a little bit. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, it's lost its momentum.
Yup.
We're gonna end it.
Though. That was pretty good.
Yeah, we're gonna end it here.
Wait, no, don't end it. Don't end it. Keep it going. A little bit of a possibly extended video because
So yeah, that was a failure, but
yeah, that's a failure. But don't worry, we got this bad boy. We're gonna try this one out real quick. All right. Sorry, we're just having a little chat. Leave that over there. Probably gonna experiment with that later.
yeah.
Off camera, maybe. Little off camera action. Get some flat ground going.
We need all the
You wanna go get the other pack of Mentos? I'll talk to the viewers. Alright, Ryan's gonna be right back. But now, I'm going to do a trampoline. I was gonna say trampoline montage, but no, I'm not gonna do a trampoline montage. Ready? Oh, this would have been so much better with a selfie stick. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, this is so fun. Comment below if you like trampolines, by the way. Just want to tell you. Boing, da-da-wing, da-da-wing, da-da-wing. So fun. Wow! Oh yeah, leaf. Leaves are interesting. Just joking. JK. Alright. Alright. Wonder if Ryan's gonna be back soon. Alright. Let's see. Is Ryan back? No, he's not. Oh god, my hands are all sticky. Look at this. Ugh. Tire swing. Horrible tire swing. Horrid tire swing. Ooh. Horrid tire swing. Alright, let's walk over here. Alright. Sticky hands, God. There. So sticky. Alright. This is our next contestant. You want to see this again? Comment. Give us some advice on what else we should do. Alright, let's. Woo! Alright. Alright. Let's just kick around some twigs. Yeah, Ryan's getting some Mentos. By the way, we're all human. He's also going to the bathroom. Oh, there, you hear his noises. Like, alright. Ryan, come on. Alright, I don't want to keep the video just like staying still. Alright, I'll give you some time for something that I want to say right now. Okay. Never mind. Don't have to say anything. Ryan's back. Alright.
Okay. This time.
Let's go. Quick.
Wait, I got an idea. Is it open? Okay.
What? Yeah. Here. Take the...
I got it.
Ryan. Ryan, look. Ryan's gonna be recording this.
But what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and like throw it in.
Yeah. I think I'm just gonna put him in like 1 by 1-ish. Not 1 by 1-ish, like...
Yeah, well, let's try and throw it in.
Like, I'm gonna put in like a bunch at a time. Not a bunch, like the whole packet. That's what I'm gonna attempt to do. Oh my god.